Did you ever want to feel great when you wake up in the morning? What if you can achieve this with a simple diet? Hi, my name is Sun Jung from Hungry Gopher. This is my story of an anti-inflammatory diet journey since 2015. About 6 years ago, I was stuck with my health issues. My inflammation was so bad, I woke up at night soaking wet from sweating. Eczema that I had since I was 12 was out of control. My back pain and joint pains were getting worse, and I got easily sprained from a workout. At first, I did what I had always done before. I used more steroids to tame inflammation, but this time around, it didn't work. Out of desperation, I started searching for a solution and found an anti-inflammatory diet. The foundation of this diet is removing highly inflammatory foods to lower inflammation in the body and eat nutrient-rich foods that fight inflammation, such as kimchi. Harvard Medical School puts it this way: foods that fight inflammation. Doctors are learning that one of the best ways to reduce inflammation lies not in the medicine cabinet, but in the refrigerator. By following an anti-inflammatory diet, you can fight off inflammation for good. By applying the anti-inflammatory diet, I got some incredible results. I was able to get off steroids for the first time in my life in 30 years. My knees and ankles had so much less pain. I got a flat belly for the first time in my life without even dieting. Can you see how I shed 14 pounds from 2015 to 2017 in this picture? Amazing, right? In 2017, I applied the same exact diet to my mother, who had severe back pain. Her back pain was so bad that she could not walk for a couple of hours when she got up in the morning. But after eating the anti-inflammatory diet for 30 days, she has a lot less pain and enjoyed hiking again with her friends. She was pre-diabetic before the diet, but after 30 days, her blood work turned out normal. Many of you have asked if there's a simple diet that you can follow to melt away belly fat, get clear skin, and get healthier. So I created a quick, easy, 1-week anti-inflammatory diet meal plan for you. This meal plan includes the exact recipes I used for my mom and me to reduce pain, get clear skin, and get healthier. I'm offering this as pay-what-you-want pricing for a limited time only to honor your commitment to get healthier. Follow the link in the description box below this video to take a simple, delicious step to invest in your health today. I cannot wait to hear what differences you see by just trying my 1-week meal plan. You'll quickly learn how much control you have over your health and wellness. Visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏 to learn more about the secrets behind my anti-inflammatory diet. I hope my story helped you to take a step to invest in your health. With the superfood, kimchi, and Korean anti-inflammatory foods, leave a comment below this video to share your thoughts. Your comments energize me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏 to learn more about the anti-inflammatory diet recipes and more. And follow the link to download top 3 anti-inflammatory diet recipes in the description box below this video.